my journey started, I built a sign for my cottage out of some scrap wood. And the sign was terrible. It sucked. But it sparked something.
Actually, my first piece didn't end up sucking, but I reclaimed it while I was out mountain biking one day, and it was so good, in fact, that when people saw that piece, that's how I kind of started my business from there.
And it's funny, the two of us met through social media.
It was one of your first trays that I saw that you posted, so I reached out to Dom, and then ever since then we had the chance to meet quite a few times, and we now talk daily and exchange tips, and we've become real good friends.
And that very first sign's still hanging in my cottage as a reminder of where things started.
And that first stump for me is still in my living room, and I'm always actually working on it. It's one of the pieces that I use to test new things out on.